Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer and withdraw money from Phantom Wallet to ByBit. Now, this tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video before we dive into. Now, you want to go ahead on your Phantom Wallet and choose the currency you want to transfer. As you can see, there's only 4 on Phantom Wallet, and you can only transfer, for example, Polygon, Solana, and so on and so forth. So if you have, for example, Solana, now you're going to click the second button at the top, which is send. Now you will choose the currency. So for example, for today, let's choose Solana. And now you will need to go ahead and enter the address, which we're going to get on ByBit. On ByBit, you want to go ahead on assets in the right corner. From here, you're going to choose deposit option and deposit crypto at the bottom. Now you're going to search for Solana, and here it is. Once you will choose Solana, now you will need to choose the chain type, which is Sol network. Now here you will see your address, which you want to go ahead and copy. Once you have copied it, go back to Phantom Wallet. Now, once you will enter the address here and paste it here, click next. And now you will enter the amount you want to go ahead and transfer, and then click send. So that's pretty much it, how you withdraw it from Phantom Wallet. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.